Hello friend, today is a topic in self introduction. So let's start it. First number, my name is Rosni Raj. Second number, I am 16 years old. Third number, I study in class 11th. Fourth number, my father's name is Rakesh Raj. Five number, my mother's name is Mamata Raj. Six number, I live in Kolkata with my parents. Seven number, my father's is a teacher and my mother's is a housewife. Eight number, my favorite subjects are English and Hindi. Nine number, my hobbies are reading books and painting. 10 number, I love my family. Thanks for watching friend.